What's up, guys? I'm back with another pack opening, and today we're going to be opening up a Prizm cello pack. But first off, I wanted to show you guys some on-card autographs that I got. So the Green Bay Packers, they do like an annual road trip, and they happen to come to my high school. So I got an autographed Tramon Williams Tops 11 card, and then a 2016 Score James Starks card. Who else was there? President Mark Murphy was there. Mike Neal, Tony Mull, Jason Spitz, and Scott Wells were all there. I also got a signed helmet from them, which was pretty nice. So it was pretty nice for some former Packer players to come visit my high school. So without further ado, let's get into this Prizm cello. I got it from Target.com, 15 bucks pack. Prizm is a very high demand product, so lucky I'm able to get my hands on it. So it comes with 3 exclusive red, white, and blue prisms. You get 3 of them, and then here's the pack of 12 cards that you get. So about $1 per card. So let's dive right in. All right, here we go. We got Cam Newton, Jamal Adams, Will Fuller V, Antonio Gibson, Noah Fant, just got traded to the Seahawks, part of the blockbuster Russell Wilson trade. Irv Smith Jr., T. Higgins, Dante Fowler, Austin Hooper, and we got a rookie card here of Trey McKitty. We got a green parallel of Marcus Peters, and then we got a brilliance of Stephon Diggs. And now here is our red, white, and blue pack. We got a Joe Montana. That's pretty nice. Denzel Ward and Demetric Felton. I like the red, white, and blue Joe Montana, which is pretty dope. That sleeve got a little damaged. Actually, you know, this one's good enough, I guess. And there's that. Pretty sick Joe Montana card right there. You know, grew up in my dad's day, so my dad grew up watching him play, so there you have it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Peace out.